This is a set of 6 Pagoda chairs. We have been using them for many years and they have been outdoor, so they were quite, you know, affected by the UV light of the sun. They faded a little bit, but I've decided to renovate them, restore them by staining them. I get a linseed oil and yacht varnish, and I will apply it to them just to see how they will do. They look very strong and chunky, and I'm looking forward to actually to see how they will look after the stain is done.
These are the chairs which I am now trying to revive, restore. So the middle one has no linseed oil, and these two are. I have applied first coat of the linseed oil. I may just leave it as it is. It's going well. It's beautiful. They're very heavy chairs. I wonder what's the material made of. It looks like walnut, but walnut is very expensive wood. How it can be that walnut is used in this chair? Okay, I'm using boiled linseed oil, and that dries quicker and is really good. And the good thing about linseed oil, of course, I use gloves, but the thing is that it's not messy like the paint. If it falls or drips on somewhere, it's not a paint or varnish or anything damaging. It just evaporates gradually. And this also, when you use it, beside it you can have tea. I mean, it's something that you eat if it is not anything mixed with it, of course. So it's not messy, it's hygienic. The cat, if it's a scratch on this and then lick his paws, he will not get poisoned by it. So it's all natural. But on the top of it, I will add later a yacht varnish. I may add that. I will just observe it to see how it behaves. If it is not a problem, I will do that other coat. I have 3 more of these seeds, which needs also to be oiled with the linseed oil. Now I have stained them with the yacht varnish and they became waterproof practically. Beautiful. Texture of it, I'm just saying that yacht varnish has made it beautiful after the linseed oil. It's like encapsulated in something protective completely. Of course, they come with their cushions, Pagoda, and they're beautiful.